and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Aprupa Pedinti and welcome. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Kar do yaar. Kar do. I've already promised you earlier that I would be doing challenges with all my group of gang of friends. So first episode, I guess Miranda choose something with it. Just check it out. The link will be in description. And it was BFF tag with my best friend Puka Tarak. And so today here we are doing this video recreating my best friend's photos. Today I will be recreating the photos of Mr. Sachin Mohanty. I guess many of you will be knowing him. If you don't know, again, he's a member of our gang, and his name is Sachin. He's into modeling and stuff, and so I thought his feed would be pretty good to do, and I'm so excited. Okay, basically, one disclaimer note, whatever you want, take it, is that अब वो लड़का है, मैं लड़की हूँ. I can't. Okay, he has beard and stuff, so I basically can't do those things, right? So what will I be recreating is either the dress, I will try to match the dress, the pose, the background scenario and everything, and my expression. क्योंकि मैं मुँह से और दाढ़ी नहीं ला सकती हूँ. I guess you all understood. Okay, whatever picture I thought of recreating 3 or 4 pictures. I don't know exactly, but let's see how this challenge goes. And with no further delay, let's just get into the video. First photo I'm trying to recreate. I've chosen is this one. You'll get it here. Okay, if you see that he's wearing a white shirt with black detailings on it, and I do not have any such kind of shirts क्योंकि मेरे पास कमी है shirts कपड़े की, तो वैसे भी कमी है. Every girl can relate, but I don't have a white shirt with black prints on it. I have a white shirt with neon pink and green stuff going on. So you know what I did? I just jumped into my भाई का cupboard. Obviously मिलेगा, वो भी लड़का है. So fortunately I found one shirt which was very close to it, so I thought it would go. I will show you that what am I talking? I will show you that shirt in a while. And अभी फिलहाल मैं अपना बेसिक मेकअप करके आ जाती हूँ, थोड़ा आईलाइनर वगैरह लगा देती हूँ. लड़की हूँ यार, थोड़ा तो दिखना है ना अलग, थोड़ा तो. Alright, let's meet after I get done with things. Okay, so I got ready. I just did very. You can see it's very subtle, like, and I didn't pull down any flips also this side because his hair is back, so I had no option. Also, I've kept only one strip, only one, because he was putting a mustache wala. I didn't have a mustache wala, but वो थोड़ा similar होता तो वो लगाया. Then he was wearing this chain with this ring, and I fortunately had the same. And he wore this kada on his left hand. पहन लिया हम भी. और this is my shirt. You can see it's almost a little bit similar. So I'll just put on the time lapse for the way I take my pictures. All of them I'll take on my own. और एक है जो मेरा भाई लेगा. That's all I'm there. So I'll take you along. Let's see how this goes. I'm so excited for this photo. Also, I forgot to tell you that you see that photo properly. The light is coming from above, pine chostongi, and it's all entirely dark. So I think I'm gonna do it that way. He's put on the flash and pulled above. I don't know. I'll just try it out if this comes. Boom, you got it. Also, he has biceps. He goes to gym. He has biceps. I do not have biceps yet, but we'll definitely pull this out. Don't worry, guys. Okay, so I just got done with the first photo. God, I, I don't know why I felt it to be so tough. First photo itself. First of all, a photo which was there, he was catching a slab or wall something above, and in my home, I don't have because my slab pine under it's all filled with cupboards and all. So that is major issue because he was catching that. Okay. The second one is the lighting. God damn, I don't know. I tried putting the torch on my face. You could see that struggles that was going on even in that small time lapse, but it was a heck of a job. I didn't know from where was the lighting coming. Like, is it full torch or it was the screen torch or whatever? I tried to figure it out. I don't know. I felt I got the shot, so I'm proceeding to the next one. Cross. I felt that by editing just it up, I could set the light and all those contrast and everything. So I thought, हमें आ गया shot. So we got it. Yeah. Believe in that. Anyways, we'll be getting all the result photos. उसका मेरा side वाला at the end of the video. So do stay tuned till the end, you guys. अभी हम मिलते हैं second look में. देखते कौन सा look second look में try करती हूँ. मेरे को नहीं पता कपड़े हैं यहाँ. Let's see. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I could not shoot the previous day because I could shoot only one picture and I had to go for an emergency. There was an emergency for us. Yeah, we all took care of all the things, like we wore a mask and stuff, but I could not film the previous days, so I'm doing it now. It's afternoon, something like that, the next day. So the other couple of photos, I'll be doing it today, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Yesterday was a disastrous day, I have to say. I was so tired. Hope that today goes well all the way. Let's see how the couple of shoots go. We have 2 more pics to take, recreate, and let's keep the energy and let's see how the video goes, how the shoot goes along to the video. I'll meet you once I get ready in my outfit. Okay, so the second photo which I will be recreating is this. You will get it here. यहाँ मिल जाएगा. So in that he wore a white shirt with some floral, नहीं तो some pink and green stuff going on. I had one frock of that same design but छोटे flowers are there. But it's in wash, so I didn't have anything else to wear. I searched my brother's wardrobe. I didn't get that kind of shirt, so I wore this jacket. It is in pink. It has green. There's some floral detailing going on. थोड़ा intricate designs कुछ तो है. इतना matching नहीं है, but it happens. So now I'll try to concentrate on the pose. And I wore the same stud. He also wore a stone stud, rhinestone wala. And for this I didn't do any makeup. Like, I just did basic and without wing. I just went with my eyeliner and a half into kind of pony. That's it. We'll see how the photo goes. This photo मेरा भाई help करेगा क्योंकि mirror से लेना है and I can't do that, so he'll be helping me out in that. Let's see how we get this picture. I'm so excited. Again, so we just got done with the photo shoot. कर लिए हमने और बहुत ही भयंकर था वो. I don't know यार, he has chiseled jaw. Okay, first, and I'm looking like a potato right now. I don't know why my face is looking like a potato. Okay, छोड़. खुद की what is that? खुद की बेइज्जती जो भी है. Okay, second one is that कि उसका जो posture था, his face was straight and I don't know, involuntarily my face goes side. I don't know why is that. थोड़ा, but ठीक है, we got a good decent shot because being boy and girl, maybe we can't recreate the exact thing, but it was great. Like, it was a good decent shot. I was happy with it, and thanks to my bhaiya, he took it for me. Now comes the last photo. You'll get it here. And for this I have somewhat similar, not I don't have a hoodie of that kind. I have different kind hoodie, but I have one of my dad's gray t-shirt with collar and same kind of buttons, so I'll try that and see if it resembles in the same way. I'll meet you once I choose my outfit and get ready for the last pic, you guys. Alright, I just got changed. I feel today's not the day I have to shoot यार, सारे कपड़े धोने में हैं. My dad's t-shirt, like if you can see in that picture, inside वाले buttons आते, it's similar but it doesn't have a hoodie. And I don't know, my luck is not good, and it's even that isn't washing. Okay, so I somehow managed. I wore a black t-shirt, it's plain black tee, and I wore a grey cardigan sweater kind, not a cardigan, it's kind of sweater. And these flaps I thought would resonate somehow. I don't know yaar, I'm so sad. Why didn't this work out? If that shirt would be there, t-shirt, it would be so good. Anyhow, we'll go ahead with this. I think this will do fine. And I also changed this stud. He had that beard wala वापस, so I kept this only because हम beard use नहीं करते, हम लड़कियाँ हैं, करेंगे तब देखा जाएगा. So let's see how this one goes. Look how aesthetic is this. Oh, I also have done, couple of shoots with this light. पहले आई यूज दिस टॉयलेट रोल का होता है ना, आई यूज दैट, बट अभी वो मुझे नहीं मिला तो आई मेड इट विद पेपर सर्कल एंड गॉट दिस लाइट. Like I know how to play with this light because I've already experienced this shoot, so I think this would be easy, the last picture, but let's see how this goes. I'm so excited for this. Let's meet after the photos. So guys, the shoot is officially done. It's done. I got all the 3 pictures decent wale. I'm so happy. It was tough, but at the same moment it was fun. Like mana ki taraf se na हमको जो poses पता है, if we do the same on our own, it's way easy. But copying someone else, imitating and recreating them is difficult because you need to get the same. I tried my level best to keep things same, but कपड़े थोड़े match नहीं, but I tried to get that pose. Also, I will meet you once I edit all the photos and